Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and let me share with you how to change video quality or video resolution on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app, let's tap on it, and now let's take a look at this option bar, and at the very left we've got the settings, so let's enter them. And now let's scroll in order to find the video section, and let's take a look at those two options which are connected to the video size, and they are divided between two cameras, because the very first one is for the main camera, which is at the back of our device, and the second one is for the front camera, which is right here, obviously. So let me show you how to change the resolution using the rear video size. So let's tap on it, and here we've got actually three different options which are connected to the aspect ratio. So in this place you can also change the ratio, so you can choose 16:9, full, or 1:1. Of course, it's up to you which option you'd like to use, but if you'd like to change the resolution also, you can do it only in this option 16:9, because after tapping on the full you can see that you cannot change the resolution. The same situation with 1:1. What's more, this resolution doesn't support video stabilization. So let's tap on the 16:9, and after tapping on the resolution option you can see that here we've got another three different options. We can choose UHD, FHD, or HD. Of course, it's up to you which option you'd like to use. In order to change it, just tap on the option you'd like to apply. So let me pick UHD, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied and activated, so it means that from now on your device will use it, and it will record videos in chosen quality and resolution. So actually that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.